Hey there, welcome to Very Vegan with Terry. I'm Terry. I'm so glad you're here. Welcome back. Welcome if you are new. Today we're going to do mini cheesecakes, mini frozen cheesecakes that are going to have strawberries in them, and they're going to be absolutely delicious. I made these before for my family, and my husband says, you have got to make these again. These are so good. So I want to share this with you. Let's get started. All right, as you may be aware, all good cheesecakes start with a good crust. We're going to start with 1/3 of a cup of pitted dates, 3/4 of a cup of rolled oats, and 2 tablespoons of unsweetened plant milk. And we're just going to blend this until it's smooth, or smooth-ish. You'll understand when you see it. All right, it doesn't look smooth, but it's well combined, and that's the main thing. So I'm just going to grab a spoon. These are going to make 8 little cheesecakes, and just put them in a cupcake type pan. The reason you're going to use a baking pan is just because of the size. And if you have something else that will make like a mini cheesecake size without using a cupcake pan, by all means do it. But for me, this works the best. And it's okay if it looks like there's a lot of crust, because you're going to press that down and it'll even out a bit. So it's okay. It will look like a lot at first, but like I said, it'll even out. And I'm just going to use my fingers to press that down into the bottom of each cupcake well. Next up will be the filling. All right, the filling we're going to make in a blender. And we're going to start with 3 cups of raw cashews, which have been soaked overnight just to get them a bit softer. 3/4 of a cup of unsweetened plant milk, 1/3 of a cup of pure maple syrup, 2 teaspoons of nutritional yeast. This is what's going to helps it to be cheesy. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a 1/2 teaspoon of lemon juice. And we're just going to blend this until it's well combined and it's smooth. You may need more milk, you may not. You just have to wait and see. All right, now I've got about a cup of sliced strawberries. This is a good way to use any leftover fruit that you might have. Use it up before it goes bad. So I'm just going to dump this in here. Use my spatula to mix it up. And then I'm going to pour it right on top of the crust. And this can go all the way to the top of your pan, or all the way to the top of the muffin pan. I am just going to clean this up. I'm going to pop it into the freezer. In about 4 hours, we'll have dessert. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, hit that like button and subscribe to be notified of future videos. Thank you. Have a great day, and may you know the love of Jesus Christ. Gosh, I'm making a mess. Not making too much of a mess, hopefully. It's okay if it goes over a little bit, because that's what mine's doing.